To me, it brings more of an accessibility for different regions, different pockets of retail investors, different pockets of institutional investors, accredited investors, to find what else is out there. Traditionally, you have to be in Silicon Valley to raise funds, and now you can have an idea and find a platform that helps you raise funds. So it's about accessibility.
Okay. And what do you think this industry fundraising will look like in 3 years?
I think there will be more process, and there'll be a lot more ways that structure how you do a proper fundraise, especially for retail investors, for accredited investors, just making it less scammy, hopefully, is kind of the light way to put it. So for us, we started primarily with arbitrage trading out of Korea, and for us it was a very interesting space. Like, there was a lot of things happening, and we were attracted partly by the technology because 3 of our co-founders come from tech and come from entrepreneurship, and one of our co-founders comes from the traditional finance space. So we really liked the blend of technology and finance that comes together to create this new opportunity, these new values. For us, it was something that we could take advantage of, and that's pretty much why we started in this space.
So do you think it's more difficult if you're assessing a crypto project versus a traditional company?
Yes, and I think it goes back to what I was saying before. There's just not a lot of standardization, so it seems kind of crazy that people were able to raise so much money with just a white paper. And so trying to judge what is speculation and what is real, actual underlying value has been very difficult, and it's something that, because there isn't a lot of standardization in the space, we've tried to slow down a little bit on those types of activities and focus on where we can see real value, deliver value ourselves, and hopefully over time it will be better to interpret.
Yeah. So what are some red flags for you? That's a clear path.
Red flags, really shady things that you can tell just there's no substance, right? So do they have a website? Like, do they actually have cohesive materials that show that they've really brought idea to execution? There are a lot of projects out there that just list random advisors, or they take Roger Ver's name and they just put it on their project just because they feel like no one will know. So trying to take a deeper look at, are they applying the right content to what they're actually saying, and then also looking at the fundamentals on why is their token even needed, right? So if you get past the surface level red flags, we always look at, are you just using the words blockchain and cryptocurrency because of the hype, or does it really truly add a value to your business that needs to be there with other than not having it?
So the last one, describe Block Life Asia in one word.
Awesome.